YouTube, I got a 2010 Polaris Sportsman. I was just backing it up, doing some yard work. I use this thing quite a bit. All of a sudden, when I went to go start it up a second later, nothing. And I started looking around, and I got a smell kind of coming from the head unit here, trying to figure out what was going on. Anyway, started pulling it apart, chasing wires back from the battery. I found our two live wires that run up to our cluster up here. And after some searching and finding, I found our problem. You can see the female side of the plug here. We had shorted out and even left some prongs. And there it is, just toasted. So this is, I'm not sure what it's called, or ECM or control module, whatever it is here. I'll show you the numbers here. Nothing really. Oh, there's a part number right there. 4011803. There you go. So if you're getting a smoking smell coming from the dash here, that might be your problem. It mounts right here on this back plate. I had to pull my little utility cover off, and there were some screws inside here. Someone had glued it on there, unfortunately. But there we are. A couple of screws, put it back together. We got some ground wires, that one of the screws here on the top. Let's see, ground wires are right there. So there's our ground that mounted that unit and these ground wires right there. And then I'll plug all these guys back in, which didn't end up being a problem. And good to go. There you are. Good luck.